Hello and welcome to the
Middlesex Goggle Socks TV.
a channel for children who like to draw. My name's Andrew. This is
Ember.
This is
Tor.
and this is
Yuli.
Today we're going to be doing a few different tutorials. We're going to be drawing Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. We're going to be drawing a spider. We're going to be drawing Ember and Tor's pet Midnight, the rabbit. And we're also going to be drawing
Captain Kitty, me. Him over there.
Okay, shall we get started?
Yes!
Let's begin.
First, we draw the legs.
Okay, we're going to draw the legs
So you want
first.
to do one line straight down.
Okay, so I'll do a line straight down like that. Is that right?
You want to do another line right close to it.
Okay, another line right close to it like that.
Then you want to do something like that.
Oh,
for
like
the
a curve
foot.
for the foot. Okay, like that.
So he doesn't have to walk on legs.
Okay.
Then the next one you want to do is one right here and one right here.
Oh, so we're doing the same again. Like that.
And you want to go like that and like that.
Okay.
One, two.
Oh, so is that foot going in the opposite direction?
Yeah, that's going to be his back leg.
Okay, like that. Yeah.
Then what you want to, he just looks like a human right now.
Okay.
So what you want to do is go like that, and then like that, and make like a shape like that.
Okay, so we're doing another leg. Like that.
And then you want to colour that
Is this one in black?
in black,
Okay.
because that's going to be in the other leg on the other side. Now, wait, do you have room? Yeah, no, you. I think you do. So now what you want
We're doing another leg this side.
to do is like one right here, and one right here, one right here. Then you got another one,
Yeah.
but now you want to colour this one black.
Okay, so it goes white, black, white, black. Is that right?
Yeah, so you can see, but he's not a white cat, he's a ginger cat.
He's a ginger cat. Is that just so that we know that those legs are in shadow and they're
Yeah.
behind the other legs? Okay.
Yeah, they're in shadow. Then you want to do his body,
What shape is his body?
like
Like an oval.
an oval.
Yeah. So something like that.
Then you would want to do a little line right there.
Okay. I've done the line. Is
Oh,
that
yeah,
right?
yeah, you
Okay.
did. Then we do the tail right there.
Okay, so the tail sticks up
Yeah, like a dog's coming.
like a dog's coming. Okay. So
cats
it's
are
going
scared.
meow like that.
Then you want to do the face
Okay.
right there.
And what shape is the face?
A circle.
A big circle. Okay. So I do that. Is that good?
Then you want to do two eyes.
Okay, so I'm going to do two eyes.
Then what you want to do is make them a little bit bigger.
Oh, should I make them a bit bigger?
Yeah, like that.
Okay. So I've done like
Because
that.
he has blue eyes.
Oh, does he? I've done them in black.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Oh, should I do a big circle?
You can.
Okay, I'm going to do a circle like that.
Then you want to do.
But then he looks a bit scared, my one. Is that okay?
Yeah. Then you want to do his nose.
Okay, so his nose is like a little triangle, like that. Yeah?
Yes. Then you do a smile.
Oh, okay, so you do like a curl for the smile that touches the nose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you do the whiskers. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
He looks kind of like a not cat because he doesn't have the ears.
Yeah.
Doesn't really look piratey. So let's do the ears.
Okay, so you guys, what are the shape of the ears?
Triangle.
Okay, so I'll do a triangle there. And a triangle there.
Then
Yeah?
do the hat.
And how do we do the hat?
And you want to colour that in black. You can do a skull if you want. I can't do a skull.
Okay, so I can do a skull on mine, but you don't draw skulls.
Yeah, and I can't.
Okay, so it's like a rectangle and then what's on the top? Like a triangle.
Yeah.
So if I go like that, I'll do it black. And then triangle in the middle,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Then what you also want to do
Yeah.
is make a line down here.
Okay, is that the ground?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll do a line like that. Yeah?
Then what you also want to do something like that.
What's that?
His bow.
Oh, okay, so we do his bow.
Then
Yeah?
what you want to do is make a little thing
Mm-hmm.
and make like that.
Right, so is that 3 straight lines going up?
Yes.
What's that going to be?
The thing where they climb up. And
The
then
rigging? Yeah.
where they look on the boat.
Right, so where's that going to go? Because I'm wondering, is it not going to go in his head? 'Cause
You
the corner
don't have
boat's too
to do
small?
that. You don't
Okay
have
then, so you do your bit then.
Then you want to do a ladder so they
Mm-hmm.
can do that, but you can't. And do that. So
Is that the crow's nest up there?
yeah, where they go up and then they start from there.
Okay.
Now you want to do the flag. Now Captain Kitty is where the flag is.
Yeah,
So you just want to do a little line right there.
line up here. Like that, yeah?
Yeah, but the flag isn't on him, it's next.
It's been next to him, okay.
Yeah, because it's a boat.
Okay, and it's a flag
doing-
like a triangle? What shape is it?
It's a rectangle.
Oh, it's a rectangle, okay.
Then when you don't, mine isn't on Captain Kitty like yours
Yeah.
because it will look like he has a flag on him,
Okay.
and it won't look like
Done
really
mine a
mean.
bit wrong. I haven't got enough space to do the flag. Should I do the flag?
Yeah.
Can I make my flag a different colour? Can I make my flag black? And then I could fit it on.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I do a rectangle here and then make it black.
I tried
Because
to
pirates
do.
sometimes have black sails on their
I tried
ships,
to
don't
do
they?
I tried to do a skull. That's my skull.
See? Oh, that's good. I like that skull.
I couldn't do a skull because my flag wasn't that
Okay.
big.
Next time I'll do one with a skull, and that sounds good.
Now what you want to do
Yeah?
is make some water.
Okay, so do we do like up, down, curvy shapes?
Yeah. Something like this.
Oh, like this, like that.
Yeah. For the water, because the boat wouldn't
Okay.
just be on land.
So then can I do another wave like that?
Now you know how I said his tail is up like a dog's coming?
Yeah?
We're going to do another boat for Captain Dog.
Okay, another boat for Captain Dog, okay.
Now didn't you say your name for pirates was Sea Dog?
Sea Dog, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that you're going to be that guy.
Oh, right, I'm the Sea Dog. Okay.
Yeah, because that's your name in pirate
Okay.
language. So,
Okay.
I'm going to do the same thing.
Okay, so maybe I can put the rigging on this time
Yeah.
because I haven't drawn the dog yet. Okay, so if I do
You just
a line like that and a line like that, and then is that the ladder? So if I do another line,
that's going to
This
be
is
the
the
ladder
ladder.
so they can
Okay.
climb up and they
okay,
do like that.
And
Then you
then-
want to do a little thing
on the
there.
top. Okay, the crow's nest. Okay,
Yeah. I made it longer because this is just going to
Okay.
be quick.
all right then.
Then you do a leg, do that.
Right, so the same as with Captain Kitten.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but a dog this time.
A dog. Okay, so I'm gonna do him like that. Like that.
Then you want to do another one right there.
Okay, I've done all 4.
Yeah, just let me.
So then,
catch
do I
up.
need to do the?
Just
Okay,
let
I'll
me
let you
catch
catch up. Okay.
No, this is gonna be the other leg.
Okay.
It's in shadow. Then. No, I don't mean to do that.
That looks good.
Actually, it's a black
Dog, that's okay.
black
isn't it?
dog.
Dog. Yeah, that's
so
good.
we
Yeah.
can just kind
Okay.
of the dog in all black.
Okay.
The dogs are. Well, we can do it like sweet.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like your nana's dog.
Yeah.
So it can be black and white.
Yeah, like sweet.
Okay.
Because dogs are all sort of colours, same with cats.
Yeah, same as cats. And
Well,
then are we doing an oval shaped body?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, Captain Dog is a grown-up dog.
Is he? Okay.
And Captain Kitty is just a kid.
A kid, yeah?
Then you want to do a little patch there and a little patch there. That is not his eyes. That's like a little
On
white.
his fur, okay. So,
That's a little white. That's white fur.
okay, I'm going to do some white fur there.
Then
Okay.
you want to colour that in black.
Okay, and this bit's going to be black. Okay.
Then you want to do his tail like down.
Okay.
Because he isn't scared of a cat.
Right, his tail is down. And is it kind of like a slice of apple or something? Is
Yeah,
that the
kind
shape?
of like a slice of apple.
Okay. And is that the same colour as the rest of his body?
Yeah.
Okay.
But his face will be white.
Okay.
Because you don't want a black face and black eyes.
Okay.
Then you want to do what?
What shape
And
is his
two
face?
eyes.
Okay, so his face is round. And 2 eyes. There and there. Okay.
Then you want to do a little nose.
Has he got a triangle nose or has he got a round?
Triangle.
Okay, so he's got a triangle nose like that.
Then he's going to make a little smile.
Oh, okay, the same as the cat, like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And has he got rounded ears rather than pointy ears?
Yes.
Okay. And are they short or are they long?
Short.
Okay, let's see.
Short. Then he has hat.
Okay, so he's got round ears like that. And is his hat the same as Captain Kitty's?
Well, yes.
Okay then, so if I do a little square,
But it isn't that same because
it's similar.
because it has like
Okay.
one little line right there.
Okay.
Or like a little
And then
bone.
do we do another mast? Like that? on
Yeah,
the
we
back?
do another.
A sail, yeah?
Do it like that, then
Okay.
like that, then like that, and then like that.
Okay.
Now this.
Can I put a skull and crossbones on this one?
Yes, you can. You can do it on all flags, but
Yeah, but I didn't have enough room, did I?
no.
So if I do that like that, and then...
Yeah, this time, you know how I did mine with a skull?
Yeah.
This time I'm gonna do it with a bone.
Well, that's a good idea.
Because dogs like to...
Dogs like
to-
bones, don't they? Like to chew on a bone. That is a great idea.
What's the wolves?
Wolves like to chew on bones too, because wolves are wild dogs, aren't they?
Well, yes. Like Boris from Benjamin.
Like Boris.
Yeah.
What about should I do a deck? Should I do some stripes for the deck on this one? Like on
Yes, you
Captain
should.
Kitty, yeah?
Also on Captain Kitty's.
Okay.
And now the last thing you want to do is little lines for like
for the
wooden
planks of wood, yeah?
planks of wood.
Okay. Like that.
Now I know how he's on a boat
Mm-hmm.
because cats hate water.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, they do.
Now I think
Mhm.
now Captain Kitty won't have a plank, but Captain Dog would. So we're gonna do his little plank right there.
Oh, is that so they can walk the plank?
Yes, because he is a
Okay.
mean captain.
He's a mean dog.
But
Okay. I haven't
Captain
got a lot of
Kitty.
room for my plank. Should I just make
Yeah,
a
just
little
make
one?
a tiny one
Like that?
because, like I did.
And does it have little rungs on it? Is that like a ladder?
Like it's a wood.
Okay, like that.
It's like a wood.
Okay.
Now it's colouring time.
Oh, okay. Let's colour it in there. Wow, what amazing artwork. Give us a high five. Not a face palm. That was amazing drawings. Well done. I'm really, really, really impressed. Just to remind everybody, we've got a competition where you could win this amazing
Book on how to draw realistic animals.
If you'd like to win this competition, follow us on our Facebook page. The competition is open until the end of this month, when you can win this amazing book. Our Facebook page is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. I hope you enjoyed our tutorials. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.